On today's training we will be covering getting ready for inventory by checking your count sheet, also known as storages, and reviewing your purchase report. Inventory can be done daily, weekly, or monthly. The purchase report is a list of all products that were received into DiningEdge during the selected date range. It includes product name, date purchased, vendor, invoice number, quantity, standard unit of measure, price per unit, extended price, and percent change from the first purchase in the date range to the date of each purchases. The purchase report only includes invoices that have been managed. All vendor products need to be engaged to raw materials in order to appear on this report. For more training on how to receive invoices, schedule training with one of our team members. To run your purchase report, click on Inventory menu, click on Purchases and Sales, click on Report. Select your date range. The longer the date range, the longer the report will take to run. When you run this report for longer than 2 months, it will request you select a category before running. You can now use the filters to filter the data further. You can filter by products, by vendor, by category, and by percentage change. You can export or print this report by detailed or summary. When reviewing this report, keep in mind that the unit price that is listed on this report is the unit price that the product will be counted at. If you find products that have the wrong value, the unit of measure will need to be adjusted and the invoice will need to be adjusted in order for the value to be accurate for inventory. Only the last invoice needs to be fixed for the value to be accurate in inventory. Inventory can be counted in the DiningEdge app or on paper. To print count sheets, click on Inventory and Menu. Click on Count Sheets. The storages are listed below. Select the count sheet you want to print. It is recommended that you print one storage at a time. If you select multiple storages, it may take a few minutes to load. Click Export with price or without based on what information you would like. The units of measure that are listed on the paper are based on the last unit that was counted in each column. The count sheets will always default to the standard unit of measure. You can change this by going into the inventory taken and adjusting this in the column. Refresh the count sheets and they will reflect the changes to the units you want to display on the count sheets. If the unit price is wrong, there may be an old unit of measure that was wrong or the purchase price is wrong. Contact a team member to help figure out why the price is wrong. If you will be counting in the app, get with a team member to download and set up the app. If you want to adjust your count sheets, let us know and we will show you how to do this. You are now ready to count inventory. On today's training we will be covering getting ready for inventory by checking your count sheet, also known as storages, and reviewing your purchase report. Inventory can